Hello everyone, welcome to English Minute, the place where you can learn simple, real-life English in just a few minutes every day. Here we practice easy conversations, improve speaking skills, and learn English the fun way. So relax, listen, and speak along. Let's start learning English, 1 minute at a time. Electronics store, buying a phone.
Hello, welcome to Tech World Electronics. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm looking for a new smartphone. My old one is really slow now.
No problem. We have some great models. Do you prefer Android or iPhone?
Android, something fast with good battery.
All right. This model here has a 5,000 milliamp hour battery and 8 gigabytes of RAM. It's very smooth for daily use.
It looks nice. How's the camera quality?
The rear camera is 50 megapixels and the front camera is 16 megapixels. Great for photos and videos.
Wow. Can I try the camera?
Of course. Here, you can hold it. Try taking a picture.
Oh, the picture is very clear. I like it. Does it come in different colors?
Yes, we have black, blue, and white.
I think I like the blue one.
Good choice. It's our most popular color. Would you like 128 gigabytes or 256 gigabytes storage?
128 gigabytes is enough for me.
Perfect. Anything else? Maybe a screen protector or case?
Yes, I'll take a case. Something simple.
Here you go. This case is strong and fits perfectly.
Great. What is the total price?
The phone is $299 and the case is $10. Your total is $309.
Okay, I'll pay with card.
Thank you. Here is your receipt and your new phone.
Thanks for helping me. I'm excited to use it.
You're welcome. If you need anything else, feel free to visit again.
Let's all overcome the fear of speaking English together. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, be sure to do it. So, see you in the next video. Good luck and practice makes perfect.